Let us see which are the 4 stocks we can trade in tomorrow's session. Having said that, I have decided to do analysis of both Bank Nifty and Nifty from today onwards. So let's begin with the analysis of Bank Nifty. We have to go to 15-minute chart and understand how today's session panned out. So it gapped up and it consolidated near about this range. So this was a support for today's session. It then went up and again came down to the same level and again retraced back to this high. So how you will trade this in tomorrow's session? In tomorrow's session, if you want to buy, do not buy unless Bank Nifty goes above 29,000. So this is a easily identifiable resistance level. And talking about selling, I can see that this looks like a decent support level, which comes down to the open. The open is 28,600. So you should sell if Bank Nifty goes below 28,600 till this point, which is 28,240. In other scenarios, look for price action and let that dictate your trading call. Now let us understand how Nifty will react in tomorrow's session. For that, I am again checking 15-minute chart. So Nifty gapped up and then it was consolidating near this region and then it came down, and in the second half this was a support for Nifty and it shooted up till this level. So this is an extremely important level, and if Nifty goes above this level, which is 12,800, I can see it is going as high as maybe even 13,000. So tomorrow Nifty looks extremely bullish, and that's how you should trade it. In any other case, if it gaps down, then you can sell till this support level, and after that, depending upon price action, you can take further call. So let's see list of 4 stocks that we can trade. The first stock I have for tomorrow is Power Grid. Just see how the entire price action and the levels are lined up for Power Grid to break out from this zone. Just closely pay attention to how many times this level was breached. This is once, this is the second attempt, the third attempt, and this was the fourth attempt. Just see how every single time it went closer than the last attempt. See, there was a wick on the upper side here, there was a bullish candle, and here it was consolidating but still fell short from breaking. And see here, and see the up rally, how it is making higher highs and higher lows, and also it was consolidating in last week over here. What does it mean? When a stock goes up and it consolidates and breaks that high, which means that this is a support for Power Grid. And looking at the entire price action, if there is ever a day to break out from this zone, tomorrow is the day, and Power Grid goes above 191, especially early in the session, then you can see it can even cross the round number of 200. Second stock that I have is JSW Steel. So See how JSW Steel has been consistently making higher highs since last week or so. And if you see current price action, so this was a bit of consolidation going on, and in today's session it just went on and on. If we go to an hourly chart, we can clearly see that this has become a support level, which is 338. So if JSW still goes below 338, it can go as low as 330. But if you check the stock in higher time frame, first we will check it in weekly chart. See how perfectly it is lined up. So this is the current level, and I can see it is going as high as this level, which is 356. And if we go to even higher time frame, which is monthly time frame, here also you can see that how it is consistently making higher highs since last 5 to 6 months. So taking into consideration analysis across all the time frame, tomorrow could be another bullish day in JSW still. And if it goes above 345 early in the session, we can see a 10-point day in JSW Steel. So the third stock we have for tomorrow's session is Adani Enterprise. Just see how the stock has been making higher highs since it came out of this channel. If we go to lower time frame, precisely hourly time frame, this is a current support level, and this is a channel. And also see how the price is moving within the channel. So this is the movement, and kindly concentrate on this last up rally. You can find two bullish candles. The first bullish candle is more than double than that of the second bullish candle, but see the corresponding volumes. The volumes are not even 30% of the second bullish candle. As I have told you, I pay huge attention to combination of candle size and volume, and taking all the things into consideration, I can see this zone getting smashed in tomorrow's session. So if we have to go to daily chart, if Adani Enterprise goes above 362, I can see even a 15-point day in the stock. So be ready for that. Fourth and final stock for tomorrow's session is BPCL. Let me locate that on the chart. So this is BPCL. We are first of all going to analyze daily chart. So this is a clear resistance, though you can see wick on the upper direction. Still, if we go to an hourly chart, I will scroll and show you. See how was Bharat Petroleum making higher highs and higher lows in today's session. Also at the same time, pay close attention to this inside bar candle. I have told you multiple times, inside bar candle shows that the momentum is just halted. It is not completely stopped. So in tomorrow's session, I can see Bharat Petroleum retracing back to upper levels, and it will start making new highs. Also, if we go to higher time frame, specifically weekly time frame, you can also draw a trend line right up to the current market price here, and at the same time if we travel to monthly time frame, see that you can extend the trend line like this. So confluence of all this factor is shouting aloud that tomorrow or maybe in coming session we could see a decent movement in BPCL. The current market price stands at around 394. So above 395, if it goes in tomorrow's session, then 400 level is definitely going to get achieved, and I can also see 405 level being challenged as well in tomorrow's session. If you want to know all the important levels for tomorrow's session, you can join my Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.